Riding a motorcycle through curved roads can be a thrilling adventure, but always prioritize safety. Before you start, gear up with a helmet, gloves, jacket, and protective pants. Ensure your motorcycle is in top condition, checking tires, brakes, lights, and signals. Adjust your mirrors for maximum visibility. As you hit the open road, take in the scenic beauty, but keep your focus on the path ahead, scanning for upcoming curves. Gradually slow down before entering a curve. As you navigate the curve, remember to lean into it, distributing your weight correctly, maintain steady throttle control, and make smooth and gradual adjustments of the handlebars. Be ready for road hazards and practice situational awareness. In tight curves, remember to use countersteering to maintain stability. When riding with others, maintain safe following distances and use hand signals for communication. As you exit the curve, gradually increase your speed while keeping a safe distance from other vehicles. And always remember, the thrill of the ride is best enjoyed when you're riding safely.